Alright guys, we're in Tianu. It's 2 hours away from Queensland here in New Zealand. It's a really small town, but it's really nice. They have a really nice lake here in between these mountain views. We're gonna go see some penguins and stuff, I think. I'm not too sure if it's penguins, but we're gonna see some birds, basically. Now it's some bird things. Cool, little sanctuary thing for birds. It's cold today. The drive here was a bit. We got stopped by the ops, but you know, we survived that easy, no problem. The ops, you know, they have respect for me, so they let me pass. The immigrant over here though, he got a ticket, but we're chilling. Look at these ducks. Look at these. Can you get those ducks? Zoom in on those ducks over there. Zoom in on those ducks. Can you zoom? You didn't zoom, did you? Zoom. Yeah. Look at those ducks. But yeah, guys, like the stream, I'm gonna waddle away and I'm gonna go. See you guys soon. These birds are goofy. Yo, what to do with a V? What to do with a V? Squad? What to do with a V, squad? You're it, bro. You're it. Oh. Are you trying to bite me? Pull up. Pull up. I ain't scared of you. Pull up. What's the problem? What's the issue? Yo, if I touch your tail, what's the issue? What's the issue, buddy? Pull up on me. Pull up on me. Pull up on me. Oh. Come on, buddy. Go away. Finders keepers lose the weaker. Finders keepers lose the weaker. Oh! It looks like a pear. Looks like a pear. Zoom in no more. Oh, you can't? Yo, iPhones are shit. Go a little to the left so you can get his beak. Yeah. Look at that. It's in the shape of a pear. It's a goofy ass looking bird, not a cat. What the hell? What is it called? Tacaje. They raise chickens. Chicks. Let's go around. Is that it? Is it literally just that guy? Bro, I just do all this running for no reason. Oh, there's another one. Yo, why are they over there? Dude, they look so goofy. I kind of fuck with them. They're like these orange ass beaks. Look at all these other motherfuckers laughing at them. You hear that shit? Because they free. Yo, that's flawed. You cannot reach that. You can't see that shit. Give me it. Videographer's ass. I need a taller videographer. Shit, I need a taller fucking... I need a taller me. I don't even think you can see that. Are you scared, bro? I'm really scared, dude. These are cool plants here. What I can't find is those penguins. My mom told me those penguins, and I haven't seen one goddamn penguin. I guess those are kind of cooler than penguins, though. Those weird, hairy ass motherfuckers. Alright, that's my last hope. My last hope is this settlement right here. And I have a feeling there's nothing in there. Let's go. Let's run it. Blue ducks. Oh, they're hidden. They're hidden their ducks. Great. Well, I don't know what else to say. Out. Look at these. Taca. Look at them. Pear looking ass birds. He's cleaning the other bird? Gang. How are we feeling about the pear birds, gang? They're cleaning up each other. They're the weirdest looking birds I've ever seen in my life. They got like peacock colors. But they got these super orange beaks. Tacaí. Bro, they're called pear bird. Because they look like pears. No. Pear bird. Okay? I don't want to hear. No. They look like pears and they're pear birds. That's it. That's all that matters. They got the cool looking orange necks. Beaks, I mean. Oh, he's looking at me. Where are his eyes? Yo, where are their eyeballs? Are you sure? Because I don't see any eyes on them. Oh, right there. They're so small. Yo, this is the goofiest looking bird I've ever seen in my fucking life. Yeah, they're cool. They walk funky. I don't even know, team. I don't know if we would consider those birds. Would you consider those birds? Don't say yes. Don't make me look dumb. Don't stop. What are you doing? Disrespectful ass. But don't messing up my thought processes. Ma, where are the penguins?
Penguins are birds.
No, but where are they? She freaking lied to me. She's a liar.
Because I have 2 legs.
Cut that shit. I gotta go. It's a legendary blue duck. It's literally blue beak, blue feet. Yeah, that shit looks mad goof. I'm not even cap, but it's cool. Yo, aren't the ones from open season like that? Or am I tweaking? I'm tweaking. Nah, some of them, man, they looks cool. I'm not gonna lie, it's sick. Let's go do this one. Look at that. Invasive species. Only 5 in the world are alive. It swims at a depth of over 1 meter. Its lung capacity is greater than that of a shark. The blue duck. A monstrous species that even my videographer doesn't understand. Welcome to the depths of the New Zealand Forest Sanctuary, where the animals hunt you. Guys, we've lost a fellow soldier. Our boy Donnie, the blue duck. These fucking vicious, feral ass cats killed him. And I will not stop until justice is served! I'm trying to think about a good Batman line. Do you know any? Beware. No, that's fucking Green Lantern. Fuck. No. Oh, fuck. But what does he say? Justice. Oh, I remember. I'm Batman. Justice. What else is that? He doesn't say anything else. Yo, Batman is actually high-key mid. What the fuck does that guy say? He doesn't say anything. I'm Batman. Ah, justice. Stop. You cold there, buddy? You cold there, buddy? Are you filming already?
Yeah.
You have to be careful, because... Alright, guys. This is Dude Perfect. Just kidding. Don't copyright me, please. I'm sorry. It's mad cold, dog. Ooh. So you wouldn't use this. Slippery. We will make it.
Fíjate que no hay salida ahí, se cae en el agua. Cuidado, Tito, para.
Why you stay over there? They were following me.
Ya que te voy a tirar la foto.
Did you hear me saying it was slippery?
Yeah.
It was so mossy. My hands are literally green. I was so scared there at the end because it's hard to keep balance on that shit. But yeah, look at this nice ass view, guys. Holy shit. I love this shit. We live for this, guys. And remember, guys, don't forget to work out every day. You want to be strong, keep your body healthy, keep your body good. Never give up on your health. And always adventure and explore. Peace.